Good afternoon. I am your virtual assistant Jack. I will help you to install the program and explain all the basic steps. Let's go. Step 1. Downloading the application. Open our website page where the link to download the application is located. Usually, it is in the description or in the pinned comment under the video. Click on the link to download the application. Save the application archive to your computer. Step 2. Extracting the archive. Download and install the 7zip or WinRAR archiver if you haven't already. Then extract the archive using the 7zip or WinRAR archiver. The archive is password protected. Enter the password 1234 inches. Step 3. Installing the application. Before installing the application, it is recommended to temporarily pause your antivirus software to avoid possible compatibility issues. After extracting, find the executable file of the application .exe or .mse. Usually it has the extension .exe, and run it.